Here we have a package that's coming from Alabama. Customer does not list the address here. She sent us a return shipping label. She mailed in an iPad 9.7 inch and she's concerned about her data. Screen is totally broken and the tablet does not power on. I replaced the screen and we still cannot get anything on the screen. What we want to do is we want to inspect the logic board to see if there's anything going on, maybe with the backlight circuit or with the display circuit. This tablet looks like it's been elsewhere before because when I opened it, the shield that goes on top of the circuit board here, the screws were missing. We only had 2 screws out of maybe 12. So we know that the tablet was open before. Maybe she took it to a shop, they tried to replace the screen. It didn't solve the problem and they gave it back to her. I did not check the components on the board to see if there's anything that's been tampered with, but we're gonna do so right now. Let's go under the microscope. And what I'm interested in checking is the FPC area of the motherboard. This is where you plug the screen. Right here. I want to see if there's anything obvious here or if there's anybody that tampered with this area. There's a question mark here. This filter, as I recall, is responsible for the backlight. Let's test and make sure this is good. It should be continuous. I mean, I do see it looks kind of burned. What's this here? Oh, I think this is just some adhesive. Okay, so it's good. Let's go ahead and test this one here and see if it's continuous. Meter in continuity mode. And it's not continuous. So this component is blown. We have to change it and test again. Let's run quickly through the board to see if there's anything else that may be obvious. Remember, we do not have a circuit diagram for this tablet. We do not have a board diagram. So everything that we're doing now is based on physical inspection. I want to measure those diodes because we have 2 coils here and 2 diodes. These are known to go bad when there's a problem with the backlight or display circuit. This is good. And this is good. No problems. One time we fixed an iPad Pro where the coil was totally loose. The probe hit the coil by mistake and the coil moved. So every time I work on an iPad Pro, I check and make sure that the coils are solid. Now the battery connector, as you can see, the plastic chipped off. I do not think it's a main concern right now. Those pins will still make a connection with the battery. If I feel like the battery is not making a connection, then we can change this battery connector. But right now when I test it, the battery is being charged at 0.7 amps. So it means the battery is being charged. Okay, so let's go ahead and change that component. I'm going to use our hot tweezers to remove it. And let's grab that component. The filter will be sold on our website. It will be sold in a batch of 5, as you see here, like this. So this strip contains 5 components. It's a 201 filter. Let me show you how it looks like under the microscope. This is a microscopic component. You cannot handle it without a microscope. Okay, perfect. Let's clean up. And we're gonna test to make sure the filter is continuous and it's making a connection with the FEC connector. So let's test from here to right over here. And yes, very good. Now we're gonna try it to see if it works. I need to connect our screen, the good screen. Okay, the screen is connected. And I do not know if the customer's battery is charged or not, but I want to see something on the screen. As long as I see the battery sign or something, I know that the problem is fixed. And so far nothing. I want to press and hold down on the battery. Okay. Nothing's showing up. Let me plug the tablet in the charger. Oh, here, it's working. The battery sign. It's working. Okay. So let's check it out. And the battery sign right here. Now, if we check the meter, tablet is being charged at 0.7 amps. Very good, very good. So we're gonna go ahead and change the screen for the customer, send her an invoice, and mail it back to her. That's it for this video. I hope you enjoyed it. Don't forget to like and subscribe, leave a comment if you have any questions, and we'll do something else in the next video.